Here we are on Bay Street. We're gonna do some shopping. Pick up some diamonds, a couple Rolexes maybe, who knows. We'll see what's in the budget for today. Now this shopping is like a 5-minute walk once we got off the boat. We're pretty lucky, we're like the first ones off. A lot of the stores still seem to be closed. It is 8:26 in the morning. All right, we just left the jewelry. There's the Royal Bank of Canada, the Colombian emeralds. We're walking our way now to the Queen's staircase. Shows it's a 4-minute walk from the jewelry stores here. Those are cannons. Alright, here's the water tower for Bahamas. That is high. We're going up top of the Queen's staircase.
Grace, get over.
We go to the marketplace by the fort. We're here at the fort. There's some more old cannons aimed at the port. This is where they would shoot to go into the port. We're in a Queen's staircase. That's a real heavy tire. Yeah, that's a real car tire. Look at the tree roots on that tree right there. It's hanging on to the rocks. It's hanging on for dear life. You're about 12 feet up, buddy. You're about 12 feet up. I don't know, somebody carved their name into it. Mully. Hope he's walking back. Mommy. Junkano Beach in the Bahamas, Nassau. There's Margaritaville. There's all the cruise ships over there. We're out here in the water. What do you guys think of the vacation so far? Oh, why are you giving thumbs down? Now we're in the straw market over by the cruise ships. Here you can haggle for anything. Yeah. Oh, well, last day of the cruise. Started raining. Everyone, good thing we brought our ponchos.